Welcome to the unboxing. Today I'm going to unbox the new POCO M3 from Xiaomi. I just ordered it with my own money and it arrived 3 days later. I'm new to this YouTube record thingy, so my voiceover will not be very good. This I'm recording in the post, but there are some audio that were recorded when I was unboxing the device. So I'll blend these two, and maybe there's some audio level differences. I apologize in advance. I hope this will be improved from my next videos. Let's start the unboxing. Alright, we have the phone. 6000 mAh battery. POCO M3 with easy access to the Google apps used the most. So their marketing, this is a Google Play Services phone. Let's open it up. I gotta say, nice packaging. A lot of things here. Here's the phone. Looks nice. What do we have underneath? We have a USB-A to USB-C for a cable. The white power brick, quite heavy, which is good, I guess. What else? Anything else in the box? I'll set it aside. Let's see what's in this little. Oh, we have a SIM ejection tool. POCO M3 user guide. A warranty card. Nice transparent DPU case with a little bit indentation so it matches the camera bump in the back. Anything else? No, nothing. Let's go for the phone. It's quite nice to hold into the hand. Let's open it up. Right. Here you go, this is the phone. It feels quite nice. in the hand, to be honest, not gonna lie. The back is quite good. The reflection. Alright, have a USB-C port, microphone hole, speaker grills, also speaker grills, and I think networking and more microphones. Yeah, the display is nice. Also, the camera feels quite good. And there's a skin paper. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. There's definitely a skin paper. It's not tempered glass, I think. It's just regular old plastic skin paper. Let's put on the case. Okay, should probably put here. It's quite can't do it. Come on. Oh, finally. Finally. As you can see, the skin paper is quite fingerprinty. Case not so much. Let's turn on the phone. It's not turning on. Not turning on. So here's everything you get. Let's charge it up. Probably doesn't have any power in it. Oh, the charging port is covered. Let's see if this thing gets any charge. Yes, it turns on. So here you go. This is for the unboxing. Yeah, I'll test it out in a week and then I'll post my full review. Thanks for watching. See you soon.